Oh, the Diamond is a ship, me lads, for the Davis Strait she's bound, and the quay it is all garnished wi' bonny lassies round. Captain Thompson gives the orders to sail the ocean wide, where the sun it never sets, me lads, nor darting dims the skies. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. All along the quay at Peterhead the lassies stan aroon, with their shawls all pulled about them and their salt tears rinnin doon. Dinna weep, my bonny lassies, though you be left behind, for the rose will grow on Greenland's ice before we've changed our minds. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. Here's a health to the Resolution, likewise Eliza Swan. Here's a health to the Battler o' Montrose and the Diamond ship o' fame. We'll wear the trousers o' the white and the jackets o' the blue. When we return to Peterhead, we'll hae sweethearts anew. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. Oh, it'll be bricht both day and nicht when the Greenland lads come hame, wi' a ship that's full o' oil, me lads, and money to your name. We'll mak the cradles 40 rock and the blankets 40 tear, and every lass in Peterhead says hush-a-bye, my dear. And it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale. A great song for this time of year when it'll be bricht both day and nicht is certainly true for Scotland, but even more so for the Davis Straits where this song is set. Davis Straits is between Greenland and Canada, and the Diamond was part of a fleet of whaling ships that left actually from Aberdeen, not from Peterhead, from 1812 to 1819 to go hunting for whale. The fate of the Diamond and the other vessels is actually well known. They were locked in the ice. The sailors had to jump overboard just as the hulls of the ships were being crushed and make tents from the sails, and actually managed to survive and were rescued, but the bonny ship, the Diamond, was locked in the Arctic ice in 1819. I know this song from my Callie band days. We used to sing it and do a great harmonised version of it, and it was quite a rousing song.